Basics of Adobe Illustrator is coming up next. Here I have Adobe Illustrator 2021, and in this first tutorial we will be exploring the welcome screen of Adobe Illustrator, where you will see a lot of different portions. The first tab is the preset tab, where you will find different presets according to devices. And in the next tab, you can check your recent work. Here I have practiced some of the graphics. On the left side, you will see different options such as Home, where we are right now. Another is Learn. If you wanted to learn from Adobe Illustrator Professionals, then you can check these videos. Other than that, you will have Cloud Documents option, and the new file options will be explored in the next video. So if you want to learn the basics of Illustrator in such short videos, then consider subscribing and make sure to check the Illustrator playlist from the description. Thanks for watching and see you later.